Imagine the universe as a giant fireworks show that started over 13.8 billion years ago and has been going on ever since. Ever wondered what set off this spectacular display? Today, let's explore the Big Bang and the intriguing question: what came before it? The Big Bang Theory is like a story of our universe's birth. It says that everything we see today, galaxies, stars, and even us, began from a tiny, hot, and dense point. This explosive beginning marked the start of time and space as we know it. But what happened before the Big Bang? That's our topic for today. As we look back to the very start, we hit a wall called the Planck Epoch, a moment right after the Big Bang. At this point, our usual understanding of physics doesn't quite work. The familiar laws of nature begin to break down, and things get really weird and confusing. This is where the realm of quantum mechanics starts to take over, and our classical theories struggle to keep up. The Planck Epoch is the very first moment of our universe, lasting from 0 to 10 to the minus 43 seconds after the Big Bang. During this time, everything was so mixed up that space and time as we know them were still forming. The four fundamental forces of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces, were unified. Understanding this period is crucial, but it's incredibly challenging because our current theories can't fully describe it. Quantum mechanics is the science of the tiniest particles. In this strange world, particles can appear and disappear randomly, existing in multiple states at once. This chaotic environment is vastly different from the predictable, large-scale universe we experience. However, there's a big problem. We can't yet explain how quantum mechanics fits with gravity, the force that keeps us grounded and governs large-scale structures in the universe. Scientists are trying to find a theory that combines quantum mechanics and gravity, known as quantum gravity. This theory would help explain how these two fundamental aspects of our universe interact at the smallest scales. Until we figure this out, we can't fully understand the universe's earliest moments. This reconciliation is one of the greatest challenges in modern physics and remains an active area of research. This idea suggests that right after the Big Bang, the universe expanded super quickly in a fraction of a second. This rapid inflation smoothed out any irregularities and set the stage for the large-scale structure we see today. But what caused this sudden inflation? That's still a mystery. Think of a universe that keeps expanding and contracting over and over. This theory suggests the Big Bang is just one of many cycles, where the universe collapses into a big crunch, and then rebounds into a new Big Bang. This idea offers a potentially infinite sequence of universes. Some scientists think our universe might have popped out of a random event in an empty space, a quantum fluctuation. In this view, our universe is a temporary, spontaneous creation from a pre-existing quantum state, a brief and random emergence from nothingness. Another mind-blowing idea is that our universe is just one of many in a vast multiverse. In this scenario, each universe within the multiverse could have its own laws of physics, beginnings, and stories. The Big Bang, then, is just one event among countless others in this grand cosmic landscape. While science looks for physical explanations, religion and philosophy offer other viewpoints. Many religions have their own stories about how everything began, providing meaning and context to our existence. These creation myths often address questions of purpose and origin that science might not. The intersection of science and faith can lead to deep, reflective conversations about the nature of reality and our place within it. To wrap it up, the Big Bang Theory explains how our universe began, but leaves us with big questions about what came before. Scientists are working hard to find answers, and their search keeps pushing the limits of what we know. So, as we look at the night sky, filled with stars from that ancient explosion, we remember that our journey of discovery is just beginning. Thanks for watching.